Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will make this pattern. I have already uploaded first part of this pattern and in this video we will complete this. Okay. So let's start our video. In last part we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made 5 rounds, 5 rows of this pattern. So we will complete this pattern in this video, and in last I will tell you about the closing of this pattern. This is must and this is very important for this pattern. So I will tell you how to end or how to close this pattern in the last of the project. Okay, for the sixth round, we increased these fans and we increased these single crochets. Now we will decrease these single crochets and we increase these fans. So first of all, make one chain. I have already made. Now make one double crochet in the first chain and one fan of 3 double crochet in the first space, and 3. One fan, we will make one fan into this space. This is 6 chain space and we will make one fan here without any chain. Just made 2 fans of 3 double crochets. Okay, now make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after 6 chains, now we will skip very first chain of these single crochets. So from the second single crochet, start to make single crochets. Make 5 single crochets. I have left this single crochet and the last single crochet from the second and till 6th. So we have 5 single crochets here. Now make 6 chains and then make one fan here in this space, and 3, and one fan here in the next space, like this. And now again we are repeating the same pattern, 6 chains, and skip very first of this single crochet, and from the second single crochet make 5 single crochets, continue, and 5. Skip the last of a single crochet and make 6 chains, and now make one fan here like this, and one fan in this space, and in last make one double crochet in the last chain like this, chain 1, and here we have completed our 6th round. Also it will look like this. For the 7th round, turn over. We have just made one chain. For the next round, one double crochet in the first chain, one double crochet in the next chain. Now make one fan in this space, we are increasing these fans, so we will make one fan here like the last round. We will make one fan here, now make 6 chains, and again make 3 middle single crochets. Skip this one and this one. We will left only 3 single crochets in middle, so we will make 3 single crochets like this. Now make 6 chains again, and now we will make 3 fans in the middle. First one should be in this space, second one into this space, third one should be in this space, and repeat this pattern here also. 6 chains, 3 single crochets, 6 chains, and come here. Okay, in last like this we will complete 1 fan in this space, and 1 fan in this space. And make 2 double crochet in last 2 chains, 1 in the second last, 1 double crochet in the last chain, chain 1, and here we have completed our 7th round also. For the 8th round, 1 double crochet in the first chain and 1 fan in this space. This is our first fan of the 8th round. This is our 8th round. 1 fan in the next space, and 1 fan in this space. Make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now in this round we will make only 1 single crochet in the middle of these 3 single crochets like this, and make 6 chains again, one fan in this space, in the next space, one fan in the next space, in the last space. So we have 4 fans in the middle in this round. So repeat here, 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 6 chains, 1 fan into this space, 1 fan here and 1 fan here. And in last, make 1 double crochet in the last chain. And here we have completed our 8th round. So now we will turn over, and this is the time to restart our pattern. Now it's time to restart our pattern. We have completed the first, this spider fillet, and now we will repeat after this. So this is the 9th row, and this is also the first row to restart the next spider. So we will make 1 double crochet in the first chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now 1 fan in this space, one fan in this space or next space, one fan in this space. Now make 12 chains like the first round. See, we have made this same 2 double crochets, 1 2 3 fans, 2 double crochets, 1 2 3 fans. Now we will make 12 chains for the next spider. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now make one fan in this space and make 1 2 3 or fourth fan here. So they will be complete 5 fans in the middle of this round. Like this. And in the same way we will make 12 chains. One fan, we will make one fan here, one fan here, one fan here. There will be total 3, and in last 2 chains we will make double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So this is our complete pattern here, and this will look like this. We will repeat the same pattern again and again, and you can increase your project like this. Now after this, on this round we will close. See, we will make 2 double crochets, 3 fans like this, okay, in the end of the pattern. Now we will make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and we will make fan here. We will make total 5 fans. See, and 5 chains, 3 4 5, and make 3 fans, one here, and in last make 2 double crochets in last 2 chains. So this is the way to close or end this pattern like this. Okay, this is the ending of this pattern. So you can repeat this border in the last also. One second. Like this. So you can easily count the double crochets. You just need to make double crochets in every chain, so you can make easily here. See, with the border the pattern looks complete. So here our this pattern is completed, and the all 2 parts completed now. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to do super thanks to my videos. Thank you. Keep watching.